What are you reading, Jethro? Are you reading?
Slinky Malinki's only book.
Okay, good boy.
Open the book.
Open the book, okay.
Only one morning of a sweep, Slinky Malinki started to creep up its bed, a shadowy room of a proud a night of the moon.
Good boy.
Past the pillow, away workshops.
He silently patted.
Quite upstairs.
Good boy.
We have decent. Just off each door of a cup ready 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, naughty cat.
He pulled the ears.
Okay. Oh, that is so mean.
Pumps a toes.
That's right.
It was his tinkle his nose.
Oh no.
That's all singing, my new mouth. Walk up to Udi. He groaned. Please, some peace. Over off to, but Slinky Malinki what to do.
Knew just what to do.
And the pounce, not the ball.
Oh no.
Can play on the seek.
Can you find him, Jethro?
Boo!
There he is.
There he is. A high curtain.
Behind the curtain, yes.
I see yummy songs every cheek.
Oh, he's singing now.
I slip sideways and sat on the head.
He tipped over lamps.
I sat the head.
Until he had
And
passed to them.
out in the bed.
Okay.
Past the pillow.
No, they mumbled and moaned as they
Down
stomped
this
out.
is
Yeah.
a big roll of roaches. Some piece of
For an hour or two.
But Slinky Malinki what to do.
Knew just what to do.
Also waited turning instead. Slinky Malinki swipe back
Went
to bed.
straight back to bed. What is he doing in bed?
As a
Sleeping?
As a